Hello, welcome to Tuesday. We got a great workout for you today. Today is Tuesday the 19th, okay? Hope everybody had a great workout yesterday. Let's talk about this warm-up we got here. It's a little involved, so let's go through this. Now, we got 3 rounds of a row for 1 minute. Now, this can be on an actual rower, but if you don't have a rower, you can do it with an exercise band where you're rowing, upright rowing, dumbbells, kettlebells, or a bent over row style, okay? So any of those will work here. And then we're going into 30 seconds, and it's kind of a choose your own adventure here. Or each round you can change, okay? So 3 rounds, 3 movements. First round is gonna be a hollow hold, second round a hollow rock, third round tuck-ups. So 30 seconds of each of those. Now, if you can't do all of these, just pick one of them and do them each round, okay? Into 6 push-ups, up-downs, and burpees. So round 1, 2, and 3, okay? So a progression here as we move forward. And then we're gonna finish with 6 kettlebell deadlifts or dumbbell deadlifts or barbell deadlifts, whatever you have at home. Okay, so we're just gonna go through that. So this is 3 rounds warm-up, okay, with a progression in each round. All right, so that's what we have for our warm-up. Let's see what we have for the next section. Okay, so here we are with our workout. We have an AMRAP, 16 minutes we're gonna go for today. It's gonna be 18 hanging knee raises or tuck-ups. So if you have a pull-up bar at home or rings or something to hang from, you can get your hanging tuck-ups in. If not, you're gonna do it on the ground, just regular sit-up tuck-ups, or regular sit-ups if you can't do a tuck-up, okay? Going into 12 burpees, and then 9 suitcase deadlifts. So a suitcase just means the weight is off to your side like you're picking up a suitcase off the ground, okay? So it's a little bit more preferable to using a barbell. So if you have dumbbells or kettlebells, I would prefer you use those versus just going straight to the barbell, okay? So that is our workout here. Score is rounds and reps. Gonna see how many rounds and reps you can get in the 16 minutes, okay? There is no finisher today. This is just this workout. If you're on one of the Zoom calls, we'll probably do a nice little cool down. If you're at home, go through some stretching. This is a lot of posterior and lower back work here. So make sure that you're doing some scorpion stretches, some down dog, up dog, and loosening that thoracic cavity here, the lower back, your glutes and hamstrings, okay? All right, so we'll see you on Wednesday. Stay tuned for movement demos next.